everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Marguerite and it's so nice to have you here. Today I'm doing a fun collab with my friend Erika Moulton. She is amazing. She does mommy vlogs. She used to work for Disney. She used to work on cruise ships. She used to be a Disney princess. She used to live in Florida. She's even walked in the Macy's holiday parade at Universal Studios. So she has some really cool videos, but not only that, she's incredibly relatable. Ugh. So I love watching her videos and I just feel like I'm there with her having a little play date when I'm there. And I messaged her the other day. I'm like, I wish we could have play dates together and just cry, because I feel like our feelings, we have the same stressed out issues that we all do as moms, right? Anyways, this brings me back to this video. We decided to send each other a box, and she has little Hugo, who's almost 8 months, and I have little Marguerite Jr., little MJ, who is 5 months, and so we both have new babies, and we decided to do a collab and send each other a box, a little box swap of our favorite things for babies. So, you know, we figured this would be fun. We both have newborns. I think it'd be fun to see her favorite baby items for Hugo that she's used so far. And then, you know, I'm on my third kid. I have 3 kids, so I figured, well, I'll share my favorite baby items. I've tested out quite a bit of baby items, and, you know, a lot of them are just not worth it. A lot of them are gimmicky. A lot of them are overhyped, but there are some that have lasted the test of time. But, you know, we didn't send big ticket items. We didn't send swings or bouncers or strollers. Sorry, Erika. But maybe next time we'll do a stroller swap. Just kidding. But anyways, she outdid herself, because not only do I have one, not only do I have 2 boxes, she sent me, about to fall out. She sent me 3 boxes. Do you see all this in the frame, y'all? But Miss Erika, my dear friend, sent me 3 boxes for this box swap. So we definitely had a little fun, a little too much fun. And if you want to see what I got her, then I will link that video below to see what I sent her. I was able to condense it in one big box. I really hope I sent you enough, Erika, because I feel like you outdid yourself, girl. I hope I sent you enough. But okay, let's just get into it and start opening these goodies. These are a few of my favorite things. Any of you fast forwarding my videos, these are Erika's favorite baby things, okay? So if you want to see what I sent her, then you go over to her channel. First you subscribe to her, and then you can watch it, okay? And tell her I said hi. When the dog bites. Oh, Erika. Oh my goodness. She wrapped everything. She wrapped it. It's all, oh my gosh. I feel like such a uncute, crafty person. I'm sorry, Erika, I did not wrap any of yours. I really need to get better these days. Okay, well, Erika wrapped everything. These are so cute. By the way, this is going to be the most fun video ever. Girl. Yeah, wow, this is like literally Christmas morning. Oh my goodness. Carter. So cute. Yes, so I have baby girl. Oh my gosh. You know, I actually saw this at Target and almost bought it, but Brian said I can't be buying any more baby clothes. So thank you, Erika. Perfect size. Little Marguerite is in 6 months. She's just getting into 6 months. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love me some Christmas pajamas. So here we go. Carters for the win, because Carters are so cheap, so cute, so affordable, and they always have like half off or buy one get one free. But I think she got these at Target. So I sent her a Target one too, because nothing is better than Target clothes, you know. This is not appropriate, Erika. You are outdoing yourself, girl. I really wish I wrapped everything for her. Okay, next time we're gonna do a swap again, Erika, and I'm gonna wrap it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love fleece pajamas. So if any of you have a newborn baby, 0 to 1, I mean, even I have a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old, and I just love these fleece pajamas for winter time. Well, depending on where you live, I live in Indiana, freezing here, and plus we like to keep our house kind of on the cold side just to save money, because it's a big house and I don't want to waste money on heating. So These are great while they sleep, keeps them warm, and this is basically what my babies live in the winter time. Just fleece pajamas, footed pajamas, and oh, so cute. You know, I don't have any of these yet, Erica, because I haven't gotten around to buying practical things for my children. Oh, so cute. Oh, of course, so fitting, so sweet. My kids love Mickey, and so of course little MJ is gonna love Minnie, but also I know this has importance to her because she used to work for Disney, so that's cute. You know, I have not bought any Disney clothes before for my kids. Okay, then I have some small, fun little gifts. I definitely just started opening that one and jumped to this one. Oh well. Oh, so cute. Oh, little head wraps. You know, this would be really cute to have baby Marguerite in this video. She's napping though, and honestly, it's just, this is my time. Like, the boys are at school and then she's napping, so I know this is the only way I'm gonna be able to do this. But maybe I can get her in the video at the end and put this on her so you can see it, because I just love those. Plus she has a lot of hair and I just think they look cute on her. Cute! Oh, I saw this. I almost got this for Hugo. I love this brand, Itsy Ritsy, and it's a silicone teether, which is so cute. It says, I love you latte. Oh my goodness, I love it. I just got one of their little mitts. It's like a hand mitt. You can put it on them and they can just eat their hand. But this is so cute. I love the silicone. Great for their great for babies teething. Yep. You did good, Erica. Oh, cute. I've never seen this. Another Disney item. This is Clubhouse Christmas. Oh boy, my boys are gonna love this one, by the way. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cute. I love when they have little cutouts and little like peekaboo things. My boys are gonna steal this one. So, oh my God, oh, I love it. Oh, those are so cute. I just wanna rip these open now. I need scissors. Don't judge. Don't judge me. And I didn't ruin it, okay? Don't judge. So cute. Oh, and it has little like velvet. Oh, that is precious. Carter's bows are precious. Okay, yeah, hopefully she wakes up and I can show you one of these cute little bows on her. Oh my goodness. Man, it's so funny because it's like, here I have 3 kids, but it's like, these are things I've never even seen before. Like the Como Tomo baby bottle. That's so cute, it's pink. I have never tried these bottles before, by the way. So cute. Oh wow, it's silicone. I've always wanted to try these. So I exclusively breastfeed for the most part. I don't have a lot of bottles and I have like a really cheap one. I'm embarrassed to even show you what it is. So this is so cute because believe it or not, Brian and I do try to have some date nights, and when we do, I pump. So little Marguerite will love this. I love that it's silicone though. Why have I never had this? Thank you, Erica. Another bottle. Oh wow. So this says 3 months and up, and then this one is 0 to 3 months. But why do baby bottles all have to be the same old unflattering tools? I definitely have an old nasty one, and it has no toxic plastic, and it helps with babies that have colic. It has colic preventing air vent systems. Oh cute, so it's even bigger in silicone. This is fun. This is like a good stress reliever. Brian comes home, I'm just, not now, Brian. Oh, what do we got here? Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. Well, if any of you don't know who this is Belle. And I know this has importance to you, Erica, because she was Belle. She used to work for Disney. So she worked on the Disney cruise for I think 3 years, and she was Belle. And then also she was able to walk in the Macy's holiday parade, and I believe she was Belle. Also, I don't know if you know this, Erica, but Belle is just my favorite. It's the only one. I mean, obviously I've seen them all, but Beauty and the Beast was my favorite. Belle is just so pretty. I dressed up like her for Halloween. When I went to prom, I got a dress, a yellow dress. Like, I just want to be Belle. So this is gonna be baby Marguerite's favorite too. She doesn't have a choice. Oh, my camera's dying on me. Oh, timber. Okay, and replacement nipples. Box number 2, box number 2. I'm not good at opening these. Okay, we're going from the bottom up because I don't have scissors near me. Oh my gosh, Erika, you are just incredible. Okay, here's another box filled with wrapped, beautiful goodies. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, these are addressed to James and William. Oh, so cute, Erika. What, girl? You know what? So these are addressed to William and James. And this is James and William. So I think as much as I want to open these up, I'm going to wait till they get home from school and get them in the video so they can open these. Okay? Because I think that would be cute. So Erika can see how excited they are, because that is just too sweet of you, Erika. Ah, girl, what are you? Is this for me? What is that? Orange clove? First of all, I love orange and citrus scents. They're my favorite. Plus, the clove gives it a beautiful Christmas scent. Oh, it smells amazing. I need to go light that. I do. Oh, the squeaker. Oh, is this for... is this for Nola? Oh my... Oh, that's great. The squeaker only dogs can hear. No way. A silent squeak technology. Oh, that's so funny. I'll give this to Nola in a minute. She's downstairs sleeping. Box number 3. She said, haha, sorry for this packaging. Girl, mine wasn't. Pretty sure mine was 10 times worse. I'm so bad at wrapping and when I ship boxes off, so I am sorry for that. Oh my gosh! What? Look at that! It says her name, Marguerite. Is this a blanket? This is beautiful. A Disney princess blanket. Oh my goodness. This is like me reliving my childhood dream. So it has Cinderella and Belle. Oh, and Sleeping Beauty on there. Oh, that is so warm. This is so pretty. This would be great for tummy time to lay this down. Great for the bed. Great to lay down for her to sleep on. This is so pretty and cute. Oh, okay. This is definitely a gift that keeps on giving, because she is going to love this, especially when she's like 2 or 3 and she starts becoming a diva. And I love that you got it monogrammed. Oh my goodness. Got it personalized. Ah! Mama needs some coffee. The best gift of all. First of all, this is beautiful. My kind of size. Oh, I need to go make some right now and enjoy this quiet time before the boys come home. Erika, thank you so much. This was so fun. I hope this was fun for you guys to watch, doing this, me opening presents, because that sure was fun. And when my boys come home from school, I'm going to show them opening their little presents. So you outdid yourself, Erika. Thank you for doing this swap with me of my favorite things for the baby and mom and kids and whatever. You outdid yourself. Thank you guys for watching. For any of you who are new to my channel, thank you. Erika, I feel like we should just keep collabing. So let us know other suggestions you have that we can do, because we both have kids and we both are stay-at-home moms pulling our hairs out. So this keeps us sane. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Mwah. See you in my next video. Bye. Close your eyes. I'm gonna go get the presents, and no peeking.
I'm closing my eyes.
No peeking. Hey, no peeking. I said close your eyes. Oh, we gotta get Nola's present. Nola. Can you give this cute little penguin to Nola?
Is Nola
Look,
present?
Nola gets a present. That's from Miss Erika. Isn't that so nice of her?
Hey, what does it squeak?
It says it's a silent squeaker. Only dogs can hear. Okay, give that to Nola, and I'm going to go get yours. Ooh, give it to Nola. Give it. Oh, she wants it. Good girl. Okay, I'll go get your gift.
Dogs hear it?
Okay, here's the hidden presents. I need your help. Sister? Sister? I need your help. Okay, let's get the boys their presents. Okay, come on.
What's my present?
Open! one.
I just found mine. It's a here.
Ah! What is it? Ah! Who is
I
that?
got Mater.
You got Mater? No, Lush. Another present? Oh my
One
goodness.
has J-A-M-E-S.
Oh, that spells James. Oh, you tore the name off. Wow, you don't I even have him. And James, you got Mater?
Yeah. And which one is this for?
That says James and William. Get that booty out of here.
Jackson Storm.
Oh,
No.
oh my goodness, who is that? Oh, that's a fabulous Lightning McQueen. And you got Jackson Storm. We don't have him yet either.
Sister knows
Look, she has her little bow and her new jammies on. And that crazy sister hair. What do you say to Miss Erika?
Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you. Oh, chewing on plastic. That's not, whoa.
Oh.
Thanks, Boo. Thanks for coming to that too. Okay, you guys got one more to open.
And it has a back in it.
What? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's Mac. Oh, it's as many as the mini cars. Mac Transportation. Well, if this isn't your boy's lucky day, then I don't know what is. Because these are your Christmas presents. Just kidding.
Thank you, Erika.
What do you say?
Thank you, Erika. And what do the opening?
Hey, actually, can you say thank you, Hugo?
Thank you, Hugo. Thank you, Hugo.
Do you have anything to say for yourself? I'm stinky. Yeah, yeah. Let's go change your diaper. Oh my, oh my, oh my. You are not comfortable. Okay, okay, we gotta go. But thank you for this. This will entertain these boys all week. Well, hopefully for the next year. Let's be real. Well, thank you, Erika. Bye.